needle grinding machine, pipe cutter. Please add antifreeze in winter and pure water in summer. Please use 220-volt civil electricity to keep the voltage stable. Install the control cable. Please install the protection hook in advance. The positive and negative electrodes are connected according to color. Water pipe interface, regardless of direction. Align the link with the notch direction. Point and click intelligent programming. Select a torch model. Input pipe diameter. Input wall thickness. Select the number of intervals, default 4. Next item. Simulation run. Depending on the type of material, it can be manually fine-tuned. Select Run Screen. Check that the water circulation is normal. Check the air pressure. Perform simulated welding before welding. Mounting jig. The length of the tungsten class cannot exceed the mounting hole. Tightening holder. Do not leave a gap between the pipe and the pipe. Starting weld. Welding complete.